Hey YouTubers, I'm Freddie and this is Let's Fix This. In yesterday's video, we put the extension on this 14-inch Grizzly Extreme Series bandsaw, and that was a good video. Today, we're gonna finish the saw up today. We're gonna be putting the tables on and the fence system and getting everything adjusted and getting everything just right on it. So hey, y'all hit that subscribe button and that like button. Again, I'm Freddie, and this is Let's Fix This. Hey, let's finish putting this saw together. Well, here we are working on this saw, fellas. And so the next step is putting this trunnion on. It takes 2 bolts right here. So I've already got them started, so I'm going to tighten them up. And then we're going to, this thing has got 2 plates. It's got an extended table on it, and that's really nice. I tell you what, I'm glad I went ahead and went with this Extreme Series because it's got a lot more features than the G0555. This X Series, G0555X, it's got so many more features on it, and we'll go over some of those here in just a little bit. But right now, I'm tightening this trunnion down. I tell you what, when I get this saw put together, fellas, I'll be able to resaw 12 inches. I mean, that's big time right there. That's a big old chunk of wood right there that you can resaw. And it's just gonna make things so much better. Man, I love this saw. All right, we got the trunnion tightened down. All right, I'm going over here and I'm going to get the mounting plate hardware for this back, for the back part of the table. All right, fellas, we've got this leveling plate, and it's going right here. We've got 4 spacers and 4 bolts that hold it on. So we're going to get all that together right here. And I'm going to get over here on this side so y'all can see. So we got a spacer. I'm going to drop that. I'm going to drop that down through there just like that. Put that spacer on there. Okay. I'll get this in caddy cornered so it'll set up here more level. Right there. And them threaded holes has got paint in them, and kind of makes it a little bit hard to get them bolts started, but we're gonna get it. You know me, I can make it happen. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. Okay, and I tell you what I'm going to do, fellas. I'm going to get my air line out and my air ratchet and make this a whole lot easier. Alright, this thing's got 4 little set screws in each corner of this plate, and I've got those on, so let's see where we go from here. Okay, fellas, we're ready to put this fence on, and that thing goes on there just like that right there. Alright. Get my trusty little channel locks. I love these little old channel locks. Man, that's the perfect size to get in them little stuff. Alright. Hey, when I was working in the coal mines, I mean, hey, you couldn't carry a whole lot with you all the time, because a lot of times it's low or you going a long way. Let me tell you, there's about 3 or 4 things that you carry with you, and you can fix about 80% of the stuff down there. You got you a pair of channel locks, a crescent wrench, a big screwdriver, and a hammer. And you can fix about 80% of the stuff that tears up down there. And of course, a knife. You gotta have a knife. Got to have your coal mining knife. Alright. Got that. Got the front, back on. I still got to tighten this front, but before I do, this thing's got about 3/8 of an inch of adjustment. So I've got to get my fence on so we can zero it out. And this fence, this baby is solid. That's solid. This part right here is solid cast iron. There we go. Right there. That's barely touching. Okay, I need to bump. Whoa, right there. That's it right there, boys. That's it right there. That's perfect zero right there. Right there. Oh. That's it right there. Alright, let me get a wrench. I'm sure that's a number 10. There we go. There's a number 10 right here. Yep. All right. Perfect. Perfect, boy. We're coming together now, boys. We are coming together. All right. Fellas, we're getting real close. But let me show you where I messed up. Oh, Fred, I can't get it right every time. And I don't have much talk time left because my battery on my microphone's about to go out. But you see that gap right there? Well, there's two different holes right here, and I put them in the top. So I've got to take the fence rail back off and drop it down and put it in the bottom hole. There it is. This is the final piece, boys. The final piece right here. Check it out. Oh, Lord. Hey. There it is. Well, fellas, that pretty much completes putting this saw together. It's been an experience, but it all come out in the wash. We ready to do some sawing. That's, man, listen to that thing. Where you really get, man, it's quiet. Man, this is a nice saw right here, fellas. I'll be able to do a lot of different stuff with this saw. Got 12 inches. Got 12 inches of resaw. Look how high I can go right there. I can saw that much right there on the resaw. Man, that is all right there. Or I can drop down right here. Saw me something 3/4 inch. I'm wanting to saw something right now so bad I can't stand it. Let me go find a little something. Oh. Here we go, boys. Well, I got a little bit of microphone left. First cut on the Grizzly Extreme Series bandsaw. Man. Look at that, fellas. Man, I am loving that right there. Got my saw in tune. Everything's looking good. That thing cuts like, man, that's just like running a hot knife through butter. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, yeah. Well, fellas, this has been a fun little project right here. I hope y'all liked it. Again, we put this G0555X Extreme Series 14-inch bandsaw together. Got the 6-inch extension on it. We can resaw 12 inches. It's got the 3/8 blade on it. And it is running fine. This is a fine saw. And I am so happy to have it. We can get a lot of stuff done with this saw. Alright, fellas. It's time to get ready for a new project. I don't really know what that'll be yet. But until then, I'm Freddie. And hey, you guys, man, y'all hit that subscribe button, that like button. Man, y'all watch my videos. Because I promise you, I'm watching y'all's every night. You know. So with that, fellas, again, I'm Freddie, and this is Let's Fix It. I'm out of here.